Changing your username on ESPN Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ESPN Plus website or open the app and log in using your current username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find username option. In the account settings menu, look for the option to change your username. This may be listed under personal information or account details. Step 4. Enter new username. Input your desired new username in the provided field. Make sure it meets any specified requirements such as character limits or uniqueness. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, click the Save or Update button to confirm the change. You may need to log out and back in to see the updated username. Once you've completed these steps, your username on ESPN Plus will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.